So unlike a lot of other manufacturers out there that require you to take off your health tracking device, such as the Oura Ring we always talk about, an Apple Watch, Samsung Ring, any of these items, you have to take them off your body in order to charge them. Whoop is doing it a little differently as they are purposely encouraging you to not ever take this off to compile the most amount of data that's possible. That is all thanks to Whoop's little technology here for their little charging puck, we'll call it. And if it wants to actually open up, you can see we have a little charge there. You double tap it to see what it is. But this is meant to actually be used while you're wearing your wearable. Now, while you have the Whoop band on, I don't think you're going to want to wear this on top of it while you're out and about. You can technically, it is waterproof. You can even wear it in the shower. However, they want you to be able to slide this right on top of it while you're sitting around and perhaps recharging from a workout or some activity you've just done to ensure you're still collecting all that data at the same time. It's super easy to do, it's super convenient. Let's jump right into it and show you guys how to line this up and what the LED indicators actually mean, because it does vary a little bit from the charging puck to the actual Whoop band itself. Let's go. So once you actually have a fully charged Whoop band, this should last about 3 to 6 days. Average I'm hearing is about 4 days of battery life once this is fully charged. So before you get there, you need to have this baby charged here. This is their little charging puck that does charge via USB Type-C. You can have this plugged in while it's charging your band. However, I don't recommend it. It kind of eliminates the whole flexibility aspect of it. I would simply charge this separately, and then once this is fully charged, and you can tell by this little LED indicator and by double tapping here, sometimes it's a little finicky, but once you get it to read your registered touches, you'll see red on the actual charger means it's less than 90% charged. If it has a green LED indicator, that means it's between 90 and 100% charged here. I will say charging this does take quite a bit of time. It could take up to 90 minutes to charge if this is completely depleted. And this is only actually good for one full charge on your Whoop band. So keep that in mind. You're going to probably want multiples of these. They sell them all over the place for less than 50 bucks. Historically, you can actually get an open box one or a lightly used one from Whoop themselves for like 29 bucks. For that price, I think this might be a good investment. So what you're mainly looking at here is to actually how to charge this. And the first thing you need to know is how to know if you need the band to have a charge. There is a little LED indicator on the side that I do want to show you really quickly. And it can be achieved the same way you tapped the actual charging puck by double tapping. It is somewhat finicky here. Again, similar concept. Not wanting to show you very easily. There you go. You can see that green indicator. The easiest way I recommend seeing if you need a charge is simply going into the app and looking on the top right there, and that will show you its current charge. And you can see we're currently looking at 86%. Now, what's very useful, and I'm going to set this back down and put the band back on, is when you actually have this on, again, Whoop wants you to wear this while charging. If you have the W facing you with the Whoop band with its branding facing you as well, all you're going to want to do is take it from the back side and simply line it up and slide it right into place, and you get that green LED indicator showing that it is charging. It is as simple as that. It only goes one way, so keep that in mind. And then if you ever are wondering if it's still charging or the current state of charge, right back in the app again, you can see it showing it is currently charging from the puck, generating more energy into the band itself. It is really that simple. It does take about an hour, depending on how low of a charge you have on the actual band with this puck to recharge it. That's a significant amount of time. Luckily, it is bulky, but it is not too uncomfortable if you're just sitting down or recovering from a training event or something you might have just taken part of. But this is all you need to do. And to remove it, it is as simple as reversing what you just did, putting your finger down here and pushing back, and it will slide right back off. Once you do that, you should have a update on the app that shows you charging is stopped. You might need to resync it simply for the fact that it doesn't update every single time. You do have to pull down to do that refresh. But again, it will show you that it is not charging, as you can see here, and we are at 87% on this band. So I'm not going to worry about charging it anymore for us, for our needs, but that's all you need to know. How how to charge your band. I wish Whoop would make this a little clearer. I'm surprised I don't have their own walkthrough, but thumbs up this video if it helped you guys out and you want to see more content. And again, use those affiliate links if you plan to buy any of these accessories or the Whoop band. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.